Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple ID locked. Your Apple ID has been locked for security reasons. So guys, if you have this type of problem on your iPhone or on your iPad, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to open your settings first, and guys, after this you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. Click on your Apple ID, click on sign in and security, and guys, after this you have to wait. And guys, from here you need to verify your Gmail address if not verified, and guys, you need to turn on your two-factor authentication, and guys, you have to turn on automatic verification from here. And guys, after this you are still not fixed your problem, you have to sign out your Apple ID and sign in again after a few minutes. And guys, you have to go back. And guys, if still not fixed your problem, you have to click on Apple Support, and guys, you have to wait. Select on your gadget, scroll it below, click on more, click on App Store, and after this you have to wait. And guys, you need to click on call, and guys, you need to call at these two numbers, tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.